Hello everybody and welcome to this new Sunday cooking class.
Hi, this is Ainhoa.
This is Fran. Welcome to sunny Spain. Today is one of those Sundays that is like
Sunny and hot.
hot. More than sunny, today is a very, very hot day. So welcome home everybody. Today we are having dinner by ourselves. Our friends are not coming back.
Yes.
Coming by.
It's a pity, but it's only the two of us.
Oh, no pity. I think we're going to have a great toast.
We can have a great salad, dinner.
Salad.
A great dinner.
Dinner. It's a toast. Shall we?
Let's go.
Let's go. Vamos, vamos. Okay. It's like super hot in Spain today. Let me turn the camera around. Who do we have here? Our super bull. By the way, we call him Flo. Why? Because he has flow. That's pretty much it. Okay, so what are we going to be doing today? Today we're going to be doing a toast. You need some good tomatoes. These are cherry, but now it's a tomato season, so any good tomatoes. You're going to need, this is mozzarella, but if you have burrata, it's also very good.
Whatever.
This is cottage cheese. These are pistachios, fresh pistachios. And this is homemade pesto. That's why we have the basil up here. You have some olive oil, some salt, and we have a little bit of bread. And optional,
I'm dying to steal a lemon from you.
For my decoration, she's stealing a lemon.
From your decoration.
Okay.
Fine.
So
let me... in fact, what we are going to do is put everything together. So if you have burrata, you can use it. Otherwise, mozzarella is fine. And I always break it in chunks with the hands.
Yeah, you don't need to make it perfect. I mean, burrata and mozzarella, I think they're better when they're a little messy.
I don't like it. I mean, the mozzarella is better cut with the hands, I believe, because the filaments are better like that. So you put some cottage cheese. I think it's somehow like mixing these two things together makes some kind of like burrata, but whatever. And then you use.
So if you mix mozzarella and cottage cheese for use a burrata?
No, it's not. But,
good try, girl.
But you can either have this or the other.
Okay, let me zoom into that. So you can see the tomatoes are red. It's tomato season here in Spain. We are great producers of tomatoes.
Do you want some more?
Yay.
You're looking at me like, not enough. Right? So, okay.
She's gone. She's back.
Yeah, I'm back.
Now she's gone again.
I'm here. Thing is that I hate having my hands dirty. So some pistachios for the crunch. And for the green.
From this distance, it looks like a pavlova cake instead of
a pavlova.
Well, so white and so red. So good. And then for dressing. So
this is some pesto that I made with my daughter. Your daughter also.
I don't put like that. Your daughter. You always say my daughter. I'm like, hello. I need something in there too.
Yeah, well, she's your daughter also.
Okay.
They're always my kids. Don't share them with you.
I prefer their education. I think we share some DNA.
Maybe.
Okay.
So right. So this is it. You can buy it.
Yeah.
I just had a lot of basil.
Mm-hmm.
You can do this, this is quite optional.
But this is, to me, this gives it all the punch. It's what brings all that extra flavors, Mediterranean tastes and everything. Like, so good.
And the smell.
Okay.
So I'm going to add some salt. I had a doubt, like salt, white salt, black salt. Right?
I think black salt is better.
Depends on the color you want.
I mean, for the color contrast, I think it's...
That's it.
I know it looks like sesame seeds, but they're not. They are
it's black.
salt.
It's black salt. And then
Of course.
Some olive oil, and then you can add, if you want, you can add more lemon. Up to you. So I made a bit of a mess, but the idea is that you eat it with the bread.
Look at that beauty.
And then you invite somebody over if you want or not.
Not today. It's just for the two of us. All right, let me turn the camera around. So all of these amazing flavors are very Mediterranean, and once again I want to share with you all the love I have for the Mediterranean tour. You can check on my website. We have very few spots available. Talk to me, please send me an email or do it via Messenger or Facebook, whatever, if you want to reserve your spot for the Mediterranean tour this next year. So can't wait to do it. Can't wait to see you in the tour.
Okay.
Everybody, thank you so much for coming home.
See you next Sunday.
We love you all.
Send us pictures.
See you next week. Adios, amigos.